Hey guys, hope you're well. I wanted to give you a quick update as to what we're doing in the background. So I've been actively talking with the app developer, the lateral flow manufacturer, the plastics manufacturer, and the marketing team. I did not realize I was going to have so many teams, but they are all willing to play ball. They are all aware of our aggressive timeline and what we're trying to accomplish here. So the app developer is fully launched, the plastics manufacturer is fully launched, and the marketing team is fully launched. So essentially, and the lateral flow manufacturer is waiting patiently in the background. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to do a small batch run. Or our plans are to get to the point where we can do a small batch run. That we can test all the various components, and then we'll go from there. Not only are they in and they're willing to play ball, but it appears that they may all come in as partial investors as well. So that's it. Things are going well. Thank you. Bye.